If the purging has been done with inert gas, the cargo tanks have to be gassed up and cooled down when the vessel arrives at the loading terminal. This is because inert gas contains about 14% carbon dioxide, which will freeze at around -60 degrees Celsius, and produces a white powder which can block valves, filters and nozzles. During gassing up, the inert gas in the cargo tanks is replaced with warm LNG vapor. This is done to remove carbon dioxide and to complete drying of the tanks. LNG liquid is supplied from the terminal to the liquid manifold where it passes to the stripping/spray header via the appropriate ESDS liquid valve. It is then fed to the main vaporizer, and the LNG vapor produced is passed at a temperature warmer than the dew point temperature existing within the cargo tanks, through the vapor header and into each tank via the vapor suction fitted in the upper part of the tank. This method of gassing up is called the piston flow method. In this method, the lighter specific gravity LNG vapor is injected from top and the heavier rig is displaced from bottom. In the cargo cycle, the inert gas must be displaced by vapor to create the hydrocarbon-rich atmosphere, and as a precursor to cooling the cargo tank. Liquid gas is brought on board or taken from the pressure vessel of the LPG tanker, if available, and passed through a vaporizer which evaporates the liquid to vapor before it passes through a gas heater. At the start of the operation, the piping system and main vaporizer contain inert gas. Consequently, to avoid the formation of water condensate or solid CO2, the supply line to the vaporizer from the manifold has to be first purged with nitrogen either by using the ship's or shore supply. When 5% methane, or the figure specified by the terminal, is detected at the vent mast riser, the exhaust gas is directed ashore. The operation is considered complete when the methane content, as measured at the top of the cargo filling pipe, exceeds 98% by volume. Due to local regulations on venting methane gas to the atmosphere, some terminals may require the entire operation to be carried out with the exhaust gases being returned to shore facilities.